Hi guys, my name is Rishabh. Today date is 15th of August, September 2022. So today we are going to learn what is the inversion of control, that is IOC, and dependency injection. So inversion of control container, we can call it IOC in the short form, which is present in the spring. So spring will allow this type of features to us. So when we are going to making and large program on the Java Enterprises Edition, Java EE. So in that we required the Spring applications. So whatever the data which is came from the user side, that data is going on the Spring on the server base. So this Spring will be we use this Spring in the controller side. So what exactly in the spring which is happened, that whenever that inversion of control, we will see first what is the dependency injection. So dependency injection is the process. It is an nothing but an architecture. It is a design pattern basically. So this design pattern follows the pattern of the object insertion. That object insertion, whenever we normal Java program when we write, we will create an object by the help of the new keyword. So in the dependency injection, the Spring will be used to make an object with its features, which is Spring will be going to make an object. We don't have to make an object. So there is a class, suppose like a Raju name is a class name, and Gita is the object we create. So Raju class will be access the Gita object. So that whatever the Gita information have within it, so we have to be make a new keyword for making an object of the Gita class. So because of the Spring, it is when we make an object with a new keyword, it is a tightly coupled format. So in the Spring, we have to make an application in the loosely coupled format. So Spring will be inject that object with its own. We don't have to inject an object. So that process is a dependency injection process, and that overall process from front to end means in the program there is the various of objects, multiple objects in the project. So that project's object will be injected by the Spring. So this all the process is called the inversion of control. That inversion of control process is there. So in the user side, there is the basically the user interface. There is the three layer in the Java Enterprise Edition. First is the business layer. First is the user interface layer. Second is the business/services layer, and third is the data analysis layer. So a data layer and database. So first layer, there is the product services. A product and service code we will write. First is the product controller. Second is the product services. In the product services, we write our business logic in that. After that, there is the product DAO. So product DAO will be fetched the data from the database. So that database data will transfer to the product services, which will use the data, whatever our business code which we write in the product services. They will use that data, and that data, that service, product service, will transfer that data to the product controller. So in this way, this all are communicated via the object creation. So that object creation process will be carried out by the Spring. So this is all about of IOC and the inversion of control. Thank you so much.